Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X AEV edition. This vehicle is featured in onyx black with jet black leather seats as well as blacked out alloy rims. Under the hood we have a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. This truck features heated and ventilated front seats as well as heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius XM satellite radio, a sunroof, power tailgate, as well as safety features including forward collision alert, lane departure warning. We also have heads-up display and much more. Moving on to the interior, we have a nice wood grain accent, chrome door handle, power unlock and lock button, as well as power memory seating with 2 presets, AT4X badging, power window and mirror controls, some nice red and white stitching, storage in the door in 3 compartments, and our main Bose audio front speaker. AT4X chrome badging as we enter the front, and we can see our nice black leather seats with AEV embossed on the headrest, as well as AT4X chrome badging. Power seating as well as lumbar support. Hopping into the truck now, just off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our heads-up display, power park brake, optional 2 and 4-wheel drive, as well as our lighting options, our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the right we have our cluster control with hands-free and Bluetooth options. On the left we have our forward collision alert, heated wheel, and our cruise control. Paddle shifters on the back of either side of the steering wheel. We can go ahead and start the truck now. Push to start is just off to the right here. There is our digital gauge cluster, digital speedometer on the top, our massive infotainment screen, which features Sirius XM satellite radio, as well as many other options. We can take a look at our camera. Tons of different camera angles, as well as a overhead view of the truck. Just beneath our infotainment screen, we have our climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, lane departure warning, parking assist, our auto on-off toggle, power tailgate, a few more options off to the right, some storage, as well as USB and USB-C inputs, our shifter, cup holders, wireless charging pad beneath our black leather center console, plenty of storage within, as well as a 3-prong USB and USB-C, removable cover. Put that back in. We also have a digital rear view camera, sunroof with our slider, fully suede headliner, 3 garage door presets on the roof, as well as sunroof controls, dome lights, OnStar and SOS. And we can see the other side of the front of the truck. Okay, onto the exterior, we have our GMC blacked out alloy rims on good ears, 6.2 liter V8 badging, as well as AT4X chrome badging, our running boards, color matched mirror caps with our side indicator, as well as a blind spot warning light on the mirror itself, keyless entry on our blacked out front door handle, privacy tint along the sides and back of the vehicle. Coming along to the back of the truck, we have AEV chrome badging, as well as AT4X on the other side. We have our hitch and our dual chrome exhaust. We can see our spare just underneath. We can go ahead and grab the key now to open our power tailgate. Double clicking and down it comes. AT4X embossed on the back. Line truck bed. We have a 120 volt input on the right, as well as a nice LED light. We have a handle for easy access to the rear to get in and out. Another cool feature of this truck, we can go ahead and open the tailgate a little bit more to reveal our kicker audio, the USB port, and auxiliary as well. Pretty cool feature. Very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior, we have a nice pattern here, as well as some wood grain, chrome door handle, our Bose audio speaker tweeter, as well as our main speaker beneath. White stitching just like the front, storage in 2 compartments, a look at our black leather rear seats, good amount of storage. Also in between we have cup holders and an armrest, a little bit more storage in the seats as well as underneath. We can go ahead and hop in the back now. We have our magazine holders on the back of either of the front seats, rear cup holders, as well as rear heated seats, USB-C and USB inputs, and rear vents. Up on the roof, our suede headliner. Dome lights for the rear seats, hooks, our view from the rear, very spacious and very comfortable. Thanks for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X AEV edition. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you in Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.